Traveling internationally is an amazing opportunity. However, it can be a little overwhelming sometimes. People want a hassle free travel, but the whole process can feel a little intimidating sometimes. However, with the right planning and precautions, international travel can be a lot of fun. So, here we are to help you know the 7 things you need to know while traveling internationally. Number 1. Have a valid passport and visa. Passport and visa are definitely a must when traveling internationally, everyone knows that. But carrying a valid visa and passport is more important than anything. Your passport should be valid for 6 months from your arrival in India after ending your tour. Similarly, the visa should also have the correct details. Number 2. Check health advisories and protocols. Pre-COVID, some countries like South Africa and Kenya required you to carry a certificate of yellow fever and polio vaccination. Now, some countries also require you to present the valid COVID vaccination certificates. The rules keep changing with every country on a frequent basis. So before traveling to any international destination, make sure that you learn about the health protocols. Number 3. Have a SIM card handy. When you travel to an international destination, you should always have a valid and a working SIM card handy. This allows you to call people when you need it, and also it allows you to have internet with which you can access maps and other important aspects. You can buy a SIM card at the destination or before departing from India. Number 4. Carry forex in cash and digital form. It is always important to have money on you when you are traveling in a foreign country. The money should be in both cash and digital forms. Since the traveler checks are now banned, it is advisable not to carry them. Also, inform your bank to activate the international usage of your credit card. Veena World has Forex department where you can get the currency exchanged. Our travel advisors will help you get the correct details and assist you accordingly. Number 5. Pack light. Travel should always be done with limited and light luggage. Take only what you genuinely need. This saves you a lot of effort in traveling around with a large size luggage. It ensures a hassle-free journey and it is easier for you to manage. Number 6. Get to know the country. Before you travel internationally, always make sure to read up about the rules, the do's and don'ts of the country. This will help you respect their customs and rules and also avoid you getting into trouble. Also, read up about places to see and eat. It enhances the overall experience a lot. Number 7. Book everything in advance. Booking hotels, sightseeing and transportation in advance will ensure that you don't waste time in booking those on spot. It also saves you money. Especially booking a hotel in advance allows you to take rest and get rid of the jet lag. Veena World has a wide range of international tours. You are accompanied by an experienced tour manager and all your bookings are taken care of by us. You can enjoy the holiday without worrying about anything. These were a few of the points that you can follow to make your international travel smooth and memorable. Let us know if you have suggestions like these. See you soon with another video.